Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team in. Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Back with another video. Back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? I just want to come at you real quick with an important video. I feel like this is very important. This is something that you really need to know and really need to focus on. And if you're ready for your installation, you got it all planned out, you got it scheduled, you had your consultation already, and today is the day. Okay, so what do you need to bring to your installation to make sure that you have everything you need and that you're comfortable? I watched a few videos before I had my installation so that I could remember to bring the right thing. Okay, so you're getting ready for your installation. I feel like you should pack your bag the night before or 2 nights before just to make sure that you don't forget anything. Okay, so I had to hit up Walmart the morning of because I kind of forgot some stuff. So, you know, you could get up and go earlier, but I had to be in Milwaukee by 7:30. I live an hour and 45 minutes away, so I had to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and hit the road jack. So I had my favorite cereal, a whole box, a whole carton of almond milk, my bowl and my spoon, and I didn't play no games. I brought me a salad. I also brought some chips and like little snacks that I could just chew on because I ain't want to be sitting there eating a bowl of cereal all day like that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Thank God that we were the only ones in the salon. Like, I don't care if somebody else was there, it don't matter, but it was kind of cool that we had that one-on-one time, that vibing time. I am going to come back with a new story time about what happened, but this is not the time for that. I'm just going to tell you what to bring to your installation. Okay, so besides the food, I feel like that's the most important. Now, also, before I left, I just ate me like 3 egg sandwiches real quick. Like, so that filled me up. So I feel like you should eat a nice breakfast before you leave. So you're not, because I get hangry. Like, y'all ain't never seen me upset. But this beautiful soul can throw some bows. Like, I can throw some bows. So in order to not do that, I need to eat. So and tame this monster inside of me, this Tasmanian devil that's inside of me that comes out like that real quick when food is not entered inside of my body. So besides food, I had to bring my neck pillow. I brought a seat cushion for my butt. That did not help, but it helped a little bit, but I still couldn't feel my butt after. But if I didn't have that seat cushion, I probably couldn't feel my butt like before it was done. My installation was 16 hours and it was all done in one day. So it took 16 hours to get these bad boys in, but it was worth it. I brought a neck pillow, a seat cushion, food. I also wanted to document my I also wanted to make sure I documented my installation. So I brought my phone and I brought my laptop. I brought chargers to my phone and my laptop, and I also brought an extension cord so that it can reach me wherever I'm at, because I didn't want to bother her or worry about like saying, can we sit close to an outlet? Good thing the outlet was like right by me, but the extension cord helped. So when she had to turn me or anything like that, I didn't have to worry about it because I had my extension cord. So I brought that. I had a big bag. It looked like I was moving in. Like, it looked like I was about to rent a station and stay there forever. That's how much stuff I had. So I had my food in like a whole bag, my butt cushion, my neck pillow. I also bought some cheap headphones from Walmart that morning so that when I'm listening to my stuff, she won't have to worry about all that. I sat there like the whole time I was just watching YouTube. I was watching SisterLock videos like crazy, like back to back, just all the videos. I just wanted to reassure myself that I was doing the right thing and knew what I was doing, and kind of get her opinion on some of the videos too. So we were just SisterLock, you know what I'm saying, binge watching. everybody's videos. And I watch all kind of sister life videos. I don't just watch people that have a whole bunch of subscribers. I might watch you if you only got 3 subscribers. I don't care about how many subscribers you got. I just want to see what people say. Like, I want to get a different, you know, perspective from different people. So if you got 3 subscribers, 5 subscribers, 1,000, 100, 1,000,000, I'm going to subscribe to you if I like you. Plain and simple. So that's what it is with that. So I wore comfortable clothes. I wanted to look cute still. I didn't like dress like a bum because I knew I was gonna be taking pictures, and I know I was gonna do it for the YouTube channel. But if I didn't have a YouTube channel, I would have probably wore some pajamas or something. But I did wear like a loose fitted shirt, leggings. I had a nice little spring jacket, so just in case I got cold or whatnot, I could have that jacket, or if I got hot, I could take it off, whatever. I didn't wear too many layers because I didn't want to have to undress or be like, oh, I'm so high, I gotta go. Like, no, I don't got time for that. I wore enough to feel comfortable. I wore a sports bra too because I didn't want to be worrying about feeling like I gotta take off my bra when I walk out the door, because it's like, you know how I be a long whole day at work, you'd be like, I don't care where that mug land at by the time I get home. I don't care. Shoot. I didn't have to feel like that because I had the sports bra on. So, and I had like socks and tennis shoes, gym shoes, whatever. Just some comfortable shoes. You ain't going to know somewhere fancy. You about to be sitting down for hours. You ain't got to be looking all that. But I look decent enough that when I took a picture, I wouldn't been like, girl, you know you could have did better than that. But if you ain't worried about taking a picture of what you look like, you just trying to take a picture of your head, then wear what you want. Wear what you want. Make sure that you take pictures. Take pictures before, during, and after. So then you can remember this moment. Cherish this moment because you paid all that money, honey. Go ahead and document it. It helps you see your growth and know where you came from and where you're going. You should make sure you bring the money. The money. Make sure that you have the right amount of money. Do not pay your consultant before your establishment is completed. If somebody trying to get some money out of you before they finish doing your work, then honey, you need to run all the way down the street and up and down all the way around to somebody else. Because that ain't right. That ain't right. So, also, make sure that you have your calendar ready, like in your phone or a piece of paper or something like that, so then you can mark down when you should come back. If your establishment is not completed in the same day, then make sure that you have it verified and confirmed on the days that she is going to complete your establishment. Don't have it where you leave and you don't know when you're supposed to come back to get the other half of your head finished. Or also write down when you come back for your first retie and make sure that that's all included. Or if you need to bring anything or do anything, make sure everything is a seal deal by the time that the whole thing is over. Just clarify things. Also, if you have any questions, now is the time to get them all out. If you didn't ask a certain amount of questions during your consultation, if you was nervous or you didn't know for sure, write down any extra questions that you have. Don't start asking questions as soon as you sit down. Let her get into the groove of doing your hair. Let her get her little momentum up, you know what I'm saying? Talk about some other stuff first. Then gradually put your questions in. And don't just be like, okay, next question. I think you should spread the questions out throughout the installation, make it more natural, and then make sure that you're actually listening to the answers so that you're all clarified on every single thing. Like, ask about how to shampoo. Even if you know the answer to the question, just ask it one more time because you're paying for this time, so get your money's worth. Get it all. Get it everything. Get every single penny worth of whatever you need to know. Just clarify everything, confirm everything. Ask 1,000,001 questions, but don't do them all back to back. Like I said, spread it out. Okay, I don't have any notes. This is off the dome. So off the dome. What else? Get a receipt. I feel like you should get a receipt or a text message that said that you paid or something that you paid. Just get something that confirms that you paid. I did not do that, but I kind of wish I did, just so I can have it for my records. Like, just for whatever might happen, if somebody try to lie, whatever, just have it all down. Just get it all down. Receipt, the amount, Don't pay it all up front. And if somebody asks you to pay it all up front, that's a red flag, honey. That's a red flag. So make sure that you be like, look, I can give you a portion of it, but I'm not going to be able to pay you everything. Keep it real with them. You're like, I would like to pay you at the end of the service when everything's completed. Bring a step stool. I should have brought a step stool because my legs was restless and whatnot. Like I said, I'm gonna come back with that story, but just so you can be comfortable. If you can't bring a step stool, you might not need one. You might not need one, but I feel like you never know. You know what I'm saying? If you're sitting in a regular chair, you at somebody's house or whatever, it'll just make you more comfortable. Okay? Said this, but bring us a light blanket. Bring a little blanket. Just in case it's cool, if they have air conditioning in there, because I kind of got cool, I kind of got a little cold, and I had my jacket on too. I had a little light jacket on, but my blanket kind of like made me feel more, you know, relaxed and homey and settled. Bring any like Netflix passwords or Hulu passwords or anything like that. Ask them about their Wi-Fi if you need Wi-Fi. Just ask at the beginning, so then you all set up right at the beginning. Make sure that they're comfortable with whatever you're doing, you know. Okay, also bring drinks. I had brought my alkaline water. I had a big like liter of that. I had a thermostat with tea, so that kind of lasts me throughout the day. I don't drink soda and things like that, so I just brought enough water. I brought two like liters of water and my tea. I didn't even get to my salad or anything. I just ate my cereal and I drank my water and my tea. Also, I brought some Altoids and like the Listerine, you know, the little Listerine things that go on your tongue, those, because you don't want your breath to be humming all up in your consultant face. Like she like, are you okay? And you like, I'm like, okay, yeah, just turn around. So I also brought like some lip chap and some lip gloss, because you know, when I took my pictures, I wanted to look cute. And also I didn't want my lips to be all dried up and stuff, because that's not comfortable. So I did bring that. If you are tender-headed, I'm not tender-headed, so I didn't have any issues with pain, but you might want to bring some Tylenol or ibuprofen or anything like that, so that if you have any tenderness or any pain, that you could just go ahead and pop that Advil and be relieved. So remember that. I really hope that this video helped, and if you watch this whole video and something I said helped you, you might as well just go ahead and subscribe and keep coming back for more. I am going to be posting a video every day in the month of August, your ideas, and I'm trying to get them out there quick, so if someone is actually thinking about getting Sisterlocks, that I could try to get these videos that's going to actually help them. Like I have some other videos that I know that you would want to see before you actually get the Sisterlocks in, or if you're at your beginning stages, these videos can help too. I think if I post every day of August, I'll get those videos out there in time for people that is considering becoming a Sisterlocker. Also, I want to do a shout out to Glitter Puke. Girl, Glitter Puke, you've been my road dog for a long time. I had said Glitter Punk last time, and that's not your name. You Glitter Puke. And if I puke glitter, I'll be representing too. So go on with your bad self. But I will do more shout outs. Celeste Journey, one of my favorite channels, go check her out. She has everything that you need to know about Sisterlocks. She already made her 2-year mark, so she has plenty of videos that can help you. If you have not checked out her channel, go do that. I'll have a link in the description. BrickcityBarbie, check out her channel. She started off with short Sisterlocks, and she did a lot of cool things with her short Sisterlocks. So if you're a short Sisterlocker, check her out. If you are not, everybody has different journeys, so it's so cool to just watch so many people. I'm subscribed to almost everybody. I don't care. Like, if you have a Sisterlocks channel, a natural hair channel, drop it down below, because I will definitely subscribe to you. Before I had my Sisterlocks channel, I did not subscribe to anybody. I never subscribed to anybody. I never liked the video. I just used to watch them and love them in the inside. But now I know how much it means to like people's videos and subscribe to their channels, so I'm doing it like it's nobody's business. So go ahead and drop your channel down, and I'll definitely show you some love. Thanks for watching again. I hope you have a wonderful day. See ya.